Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily change your name on TikTok in this step-by-step process, so follow up with me. First, go ahead and open your TikTok app and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner right here. This will take you to your profile. From here, tap on edit profile. Here you'll find your name and username. Tap on your name. Tap on your name again, and then from here go ahead and change your name. Now don't keep changing your name a lot because that might flag your account and might eventually end up in banning it. Once you're done, tap on save in the top right corner. It will take you back to here. Now if you want to change your username, just tap on it and then do the same thing to it. Go ahead and change it, and once you're done, again tap on save in the top right corner. And once you're done from that, you can go back to your profile and find the new name right here in the top and the new username under your profile picture, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.